Hi everyone, just like doing yoga daily takes care of my body, it keeps my skin healthy, happy, and glowing. Well, do you want to know the secret of my glowing skin? It's my night skincare regime from Aromatic Garden Essence, face wash, toner, then night serum. Because your skin works best at night, it goes into repairing your skin and reversing the damage. Each products help to boost up this process. First, I wash my face with Age green tea and honey face wash. Just 1 to 2 drops is enough. It removes all the dirt and impurities that the skin has collected the whole day. Then I spray 1 to 2 pumps of toner to hydrate the skin. It has no artificial fragrance or color. I can't tell you how good these products are. In the end, I apply the night serum. I am in love with this night serum. It is a complete blend of turmeric that works on your skin repairing areas. I started seeing differences within a couple of days, and if you are looking for the same, you can order by following the link in the description.